Blessings to you, kiddos, and welcome to Let's Get Drawing! Today we are going to be drawing something from our book that we've used before called How to Draw Ancient Greek Stuff Real Easy. And we have selected a dolphin. And for the Greeks, a dolphin was a symbol of good luck. So Karina, let's hold up our pictures and show them what we're drawing today. All right, so pull it down so we can see your pretty face. There we go. All right. So it should look something like one of these guys when we're finished. So let's go ahead and get drawing. Okay guys, go ahead and grab some paper and something to draw with. Karina and I will use pens, but you are welcome to use a pencil at home if you would prefer to do that. We're going to start with the back of our dolphin. And so we're going to start a line kind of over on this left-hand side. You've already got a dot right there where you want to start. And I'm going to start right here. And I'm going to go up, kind of a smooth curve, and then I'm going to drop back off the end. Yeah, like that mountain gets steep. Oh, that's a good one, Karina. Nice job. Okay, and then let's go ahead and do his little tail, his little flipper, cute little tail down here, okay? So we're going to bring this line. Watch what I do, Karina, and then I'll help you with yours. Ready? Okay. Let's get your paper up just a little bit so everybody can see. Okay, here we go.
Really good at that.
You're doing fantastic. You ready? We're just having fun. Doesn't have to be perfect. Here we go. So we're going to bring a line that kind of curves down like that. It's almost like making a leaf shape. So watch me. Come down. Good. That's a nice one. Okay. And then watch. I'm going to curve in and back out and up. Watch. Come right here and go up and over and up. Can you do that? Go up, over, and up. Yeah, okay. And then this one, I'm going to bring down. Watch right here. We're going to come down and back out. So come this way from the middle here and bring it down to about right here. There you go. Nice curve. Okay, and then this side, we're going to curve back up. Okay. And it's going to come out and back in. Can you do that? So right here, bring that back into right there. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Nice. Look at that little flipper. It's so cute. Okay. Now we are going to go and do underneath like his belly. Okay. So we're going to bring this line and we're going to bring it up, 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 up. And we're going to stop about right there so I've got room to put his little flippers in. Okay. So come up and watch what I'm doing. I know you're lefty, so it's harder for you to see. But right here, we're going to put a little dot about right there. And maybe you should draw it this way and connect it in.
That's what I
so that'll be easier for you to see where you're going. Yes, ma'am. That looks awesome. Okay, ready? Let's see where we should go next. I think I want to do... Let's do this piece right here where it connects underneath his face. And watch this. We've got to stop short though. So watch mommy. We're going to bring this piece. It's going to kind of come around this way. Down, 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 down. And I'm going to stop about right there. So I've got room. So yours needs to come down just a little bit more. And stop right here. Good. Good girl. So now we'll have room to put the little flipper in. So now I'm going to bring a line right here. Karina, watch what I do. Okay, you better sit down in that chair, girl, so you don't fall, okay?
Whoa.
All right. So we're going to bring this line right here. Ready? And we're going to come up. And we're going to bring it all the way. Do you see how I'm curving?
Mm-hmm.
Can you bring it to right there and just close that shape in? So curve up and bring it, stop it right there. Up, 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 and stop right there. Good job, Karina. Okay, and then let's bring that shape all the way down. So watch, I'm going to start right there where I left off. And I'm going to bring this down. And I'm going to curve it back that way. So can you do a line that curves? Bring it down to about right here. Touch that dot. Good girl. Okay, and then we're going to come, this one's going to curve in, out, and up. Can you do that? So out, and then touch right here. Good job. I'm so proud of you. Okay, and then we're going to keep going just a little bit. So this line keeps coming up. It's going to come up and curve like this. And then it squiggles all the way down his tail. So can you come up and squiggle down? Bring it up. Squiggle all the way down. Good. Stop right there. Perfect. And we're going to do one more squiggly line underneath right here that matches our first squiggle. So watch what I do. I'm going to squiggle, and I'm going to kind of come just a little bit underneath that one that I've already drawn. See what I'm doing? Mm-hmm. So it's like a double line. Can you do that? Make it touch right there. Perfect. Oh, good girl. Okay, go ahead and close that in at the end. You are doing so good. All right, let's go down here and do his other little flipper that sticks up right here, okay? So we're going to start on the fin, and we're going to bring this down like that. Can you bring yours down, coming that way? Come to about right there. Good girl. And then we are going to bring this other side out and back up into here. Back up into this spot up here. There's your dot. Oh, my goodness, I love your dolphin. He looks awesome. Okay, and then let's go ahead and put his little nose on. Ready? Little nosy. Okay, so this little guy comes down at a little bit of an angle and then out just a little bit. Can you do that right there? Perfect, girl, perfect. Okay, and then I'm going to curve back and turn around. Watch. Make a little shape on the end to turn it around. Okay, and then this one is going to come back in about right there. Can you come into about right here? Perfect. You're doing so good. Okay, we're going to make a little tiny line right there. You make a little tiny mark right there. Good girl. And then go over this way. Almost like we're drawing a box, but we're not going to close it in. And then we're going to come back down on that side. Down just a little bit. Perfect. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and do his little fin on the top. How about it? Yeah. So, right here. That was the easiest part. Oh, I love it. Yeah, that was a good one. Okay, ready? So this piece is going to come up. Oh, I think I might scoot it over a little bit. Right here. Watch what I do. So, up and stop. So, curve up to about right there. Curve, curve, curve. Perfect. Okay, and then this one is going to kind of curve back in the other way and comes down. Can you come in and down and come back? Ooh, look at that, girl. You're doing good. Okay, now we've got to get down here and finish this little face. So now watch what I'm going to do. Do you see this line right there? We're going to do another line that comes underneath it. So watch Mommy first, and then I'm going to bring it up, and I'm going to stop about right there. Good girl. Keep coming down just a little bit more. Maybe touch right there. Okay. And then we're going to do one underneath, two underneath where his eye is going to go. So we're going to bring this one right here, and it's going to come under, and it's going to touch about right there. Good girl. Okay. And then another one underneath that matches. Ready? Kind of goes under it. Ooh, about right there. Okay, we're doing good, girl. Okay, let's go over here. Before we draw his eye, we'll save that for last. And on his little tail, there's these little bitty lines, just some straight lines. Do you want to put those in there? 2, 3. I did 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom. You can put as many as you want. Okay?
1, 2, 3.
All right, perfect. Okay, let's jump back over here and do his eye. Ready? So this is going to be kind of like an almond-shaped eye. So it's going to come up and down on the top. Can you curve up like that on the top? About start right there. Up and down. Good girl. Okay, and then the bottom is going to kind of mirror that. It's going to be the opposite. Bring it down and up like that. Oh, good job. Okay, and then we are going to do like a circle that goes all the way around like that in the middle. What do you think? Yeah, save a little room, so bring it in just a little bit on the other side. Good job. And then I'm going to leave a little white dot. Make a little circle in the middle. And then color in everything around it except for that little dot. Okay. Let me see yours, Karina. How'd you do? Almost done coloring. Color that in. It looks awesome. I'm so proud of you. Okay, Sweet Pea, we are going to go ahead and fast forward the video and color. Sound good?
Yeah.
Okay guys, we are finished coloring in our dolphins. As you can see, Karina and I did them different, and that's okay. You can color this however you want to. Just do whatever you like. Thanks for drawing with us today here in our new studio space. We're so excited that you were drawing along with us today, so send in those pictures to the email address on the screen, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.